Love, smoking goody, tripping shroomies. My bitches love me, see but I love Lucy. My mind be cloudy, and all these clouds and faces. The sky is falling, please don't be complacent. Doobies to the faces, just some everyday shit. I tie-dye my bucket, my case got camo laces. You just run in place, but we run in places. Man, place your order, and your bitch needs some water. These hoes be thirsty, you entertain them. I don't know what's worse. Back to this verse. My bro back home, that shit could be way worse. Still smoking OG, still OT perp. For that double love, make sure that my brother's good. They took my cousin Harley from me, my heart hardly work. I'm taking drugs, I really hope it helps. I'm taking trips around the world. Come along, pack your shit.
That is the voice that these people must listen to, because in everything you're going to do, there's a wrong way and a right way. And if you listen good, you will know the right way.
I'm tripping Lucy, these socks Stussy. My woods be packed, yeah I got that sack. Come eat the plug, I'm getting fat. And I ain't hard to find, you know where my planet at. She ride my belly while I'm tripping about my rally. They took him way too early. Why you judge me? Cause your jury? Fuck your necklace, young and reckless. Here to stay, you gon' respect this. Fucking classic, Cassius Clay and Sonny listed. Come here, listen, get a bar. No limits, call me Master Party. Drop a half a bar and down to 40, yeah, after party. I'm just loving life and living free. I'm free at last, I'm glad you here to see it. Unlock your mind and hide the key. I do this shit for us, my nigga, not for me. Walk in your office talking like I got degrees, but I got the juice, here had his drink.